please like and subscribe.
Don't speak. What is up, guys? It is Zyle Alex, and today I'm back with another quick video on how to get things, like a how-to video. So all you want to do, download this app called GarageBand, made by Apple. Don't worry, it is fully reliable. Hit this add button up here, go to create new song, come over to audio recorder. Now this is really important. You go to here, just hit on this and you're ready. Get rid of this, come up here and go to music and just sync any song to your thing and you should be fine. I'm just gonna grab an Oasis song, Wonderwall. So I'll just grab that. And now what you can actually do is, if you just go to this add button, you can go over to drums. I'm just gonna go and do random stuff, and let's see how it sounds. Cool, so that's enough. Now I can just go to here. Sorry, I'm not that good at things on here. So just gonna go here. Yes, so that kind of hurt my ears a bit. But, oh well, sorry for any background noises. My mum's kind of ill, so she's sneezing a lot. Yeah, so if I just go here, I can get a drummer. See how he sounds. Along with everything else, pretty bad, but now let's just go to my songs. That automatically saves it. Hit select this up here, then just come down ringtone, then name it. I'm gonna name it don't use, and it'll just export. So let's wait for this to export. Cool. You can just use it sound as, or do that, but I'm just gonna go here. No, not general. Go to sounds and ringtone. These are the ones I've used but don't use. So there is that horrible sound. It's horrible. So we don't want to use that. I'm just going to turn my sound down and so yeah. I don't know if I can delete this ringtone that I just got because I really don't want it. Nope, don't think I'm able to delete it. But yeah, I just named it don't use because I'm not going to use it. So if I just go here, I can delete now. And yeah, so that is how you get ringtones for free on Apple iOS 9.1. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!